What's up guys, we just landed at Kix Airport in Japan, Osaka, and we're trying to find our pocket Wi-Fi because we have it sent here. Very convenient if you want to come to Japan and still have internet. $100 for 2 weeks. The other option is to get a SIM card, which is what Tushar got.
This was delivered to my house. Worldwide shipping.
It's around $50 for 3 gigs. Taking a washroom break. After that we'll head out, hop on the train and get to Abeno Harukas, which is our first stop. See you there. Tennoji Station. We're buying our first vending machine drink.
Oh my god, guys.
What'd you get?
A tea drink.
A tea drink? And what'd you get?
I got a peach water.
Peach water?
She's singing.
Taking the subway for the first time. The ticket machine was kind of difficult to use, but we figured out that you only need to pay the amount. You don't actually need to tell it where you're going, and then you just get a ticket.
Thank you, little ticket. Magnetic, probably.
And then you just slide it in when you enter, and then slide it in again when you get up. And we only had 10 minutes to get to our Owl Cafe, and it's pretty tight. Real?
Yeah.
Holy.
Should I touch it?
Touch it.
I'm scared. I'm so weak. I'm scared.
Come down.
Why do you do that? I'm so cute.
Oh, I didn't even see this guy.
So slow.
He's slower than what you do.
She's like, don't touch my face. Don't touch my face.
Oh, you know why they're so keen on this? It's the mic. It looks like a rat.
Oh.
This one did bite me.
It did bite you?
Ow.
Oh, you're trying to bite me. Why are you trying to bite me? You hungry? all these microphones. He's on hunt mode. You're gonna hunt your mic.
They like the mic.
Yeah.
He tries to bite.
Really?
Speaking.
Yeah, go put your hand. I'm just gonna try it.
This guy's hungry.
Yeah, he's hungry.
Oh, he's probably expecting treats right now.
Sorry. Hi.
Oh, nice.
Candy on candy.
Nice.
Do the claws hurt?
A little bit. Don't attack me, please.
There's only room for one candy.
How you doing? Hello, Candy.
5 months. 5 months.
5 months. Wow.
Very young baby.
Very cute.
Head.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Why do birds like to fall on my head?
Every
video I see always have something on the camera.
She's like, there's only one candy.
It's like, that's right, I'm the boss, I'm the real candy. This video.
It's fighting me.
What video did you?
Oh.
Did it.
Close your hand a bit, cheese. Close your hand a bit, yeah. There you go.
$4.27, not bad. 10 piece for $7.
Yeah, let's do it. This one though? The other one?
They are using frozen octopus, by the way.
You're using frozen octopus?
We're using fresh one. Only 9. All skilled.
当てられたんです。かぎちゃんに人口っていうの。
おいしい。
いらっしゃい、どうぞ。OK、プロフェッショナルたこ焼き。
So here you go. You can have it inside.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Neat. Feels like it's really hot.
Obvious.
They're very hot. Maybe very much.
Wait, what?
Very hot.
I'll just bite it. That's too hot.
So compared to Toronto takoyaki that I have, the octopus is much bigger. The meat piece is huge. Less batter. Some of the teriyaki barbecue sauce, maybe.
This looks cool. What is this?
One for $6.
The Kobe beefsteak is $25. I thought it was $2.50. I was like, oh shit, $2.50. That one's made a mistake again. $1.50.
We keep mixing our currency because we just came from Korea and it's 1 less 0 here. So we keep thinking like $15 is $1.50.
Cheap. It's not. Oh man, got the Kobe.
Francis is gonna get.
Someone ordered the Kobe. Are you getting Kobe?
No, he's getting a chicken squid.
It's only $2.50.
It would be Korean one. I would get it in a heartbeat.
All of it. And he's gonna remove. That's the chicken? Yeah, Rossi got chicken. It's chicken in Japan. That's good. Some grilled scallops. It looks legit. Very juicy.
Is it? It's too hot to eat. Only had like really tiny pieces of it, but yeah.
Is it like fatty
really
salmon?
Fatty, yeah.
It's probably like salmon stomach or something. Or belly, yeah. You'll like it. You think it's Arctic or Pacific salmon? We'll find out. Really good, eh? I like how it's like crunchy and then soft. Very crispy, buttery, melts in your mouth. You taste the fat. I feel myself getting smarter as we chew all the omega-3. We got here a little too late. There's a lineup at every store.
I'm lining up just in case you guys go on it, so check it out.
We found a sushi train that we don't have to wait for. Oh, sweet. Thank you. Perfect. I find Hello.
Oh, this is water, and then you put the tea powder inside. However much you want.
Interesting. I'll probably just drink water.
Yeah, it's by color usually.
Yeah.
What's that?
Tuna.
Tuna with some white thing on it. Can we grab it? It's only $1.50.
Sure.
Too late.
Too much discussion. Well, this is, I guess we could try this. Or do you want to try this?
Yeah, got that.
Tuna.
Stolen.
Nom 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 nom.